To attach the towee tow rope to the trailing or kids bike using the quick loop method, you can do either of the following things with the quick loop. Simply wrap the strap around the handlebar stem, then attach one loop of the tow rope. The second way is to thread one end of the quick loop through the other and pull tight. Now the carabiner attaches between the extending loop and the end of the tow rope. On the lead bike, take the unattached end and secure the loop over the nose of your saddle. Make sure the rope is tucked out of the way underneath the saddle.